Hello. Sorry. Hello, EDU 110. I just wanted to make sure my video and audio were on, which I think they are. Welcome to your new class. I'm really excited to be your professor for this class, and I'm really excited for this class. I've completely gutted it from the last time I taught it, because the last time I taught it was last fall, 2019, and the world was very different. And this is a class that needed to change to reflect the craziness of what we're going through right now. So, nevertheless, I wanted to just share with you today. I'm opening up Blackboard, or when you get this, Blackboard will be open. And I just wanted to, in case you're not familiar with Blackboard or just sort of a little rusty, I wanted to share a couple of things. I will be using this announcement tab, and I've already put an announcement out. I want to remind you that our very first class together will be on Zoom. Since our first class is Thursday, I want the whole group together. I did put the link in the announcement. I will also send you all a calendar invite to so that it's on your calendars. So please do not show up in Marseille. Show up on Zoom, click that link, be ready to participate. The syllabus, I've put it on this Bitmoji site, but you also can find it. I will put the link here, and also this tab right here will take you to the syllabus as well. I've decided to use a live Google Doc so that I can make changes right into the syllabus versus hard copies or anything, just because I imagine that there will be a lot of changes, both because I'm just changing the course and I might change my mind, and for other reasons, which let's hope don't happen. So just so you know, we're going to go over the syllabus the very first day of class. But that is where you will find that live link. Course content, each week I will be adding course content, and this will be the materials or things that you will need for class. So for example, there's no reading for the first class on the 27th, but you will have some assignments to do for the week of the 31st, and you will find, or readings I should say. And right now I only have a couple of things here, but this may change by our first class together, but I just wanted to show you where that was. Every assignment has an assignment description. So when you go to assignment descriptions, you'll find a full list of every single assignment for the whole semester. I do want to caution you that some of these descriptions are not completely thought out. Or no, they're all thought out. They might not be fleshed out, just because I might be changing things, or I wanted to leave myself some room. So especially those that you see have Google links, that means there might be some changes with those. And some of those, for example, I think it's a digital citizenship. You guys are going to help me. Part of our work together is you're going to help me with the criteria. So if you click, for example, I'll use this as an example, you'll see that the criteria just says criteria for Team A. So that's going to be one of the first things that Team A is going to do together, and I'll give you more direction about that. So I just wanted you to know that if you see an incomplete document, that's kind of intentional. You will be submitting all your assignments through Submit Assignments, and you will see them all there. And my guess is you check your grades through My Grades. There are 100 points in this class. We'll go over this on the very first day together. But I'm really excited to start this class. I will see all of you on Thursday, the 27th. I think that's Thursday. And I'm really excited to work with you all this semester.